Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download QuickBooks Time for job costing tax strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. To download QuickBooks Time for job costing tax strategy, begin by visiting the official QuickBooks Time website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to provide your email address and create a password. Fill out the necessary fields to set up your account. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Downloads section on the website. Select the version of QuickBooks Time compatible with your operating system. Click the Download button to begin downloading the software. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open QuickBooks Time from your Applications or Programs menu. Log in using your credentials to access the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the tools available for job costing. Start setting up your projects and tasks to monitor costs effectively. Utilize the reporting features to gather data for tax strategy purposes. Regularly review your job costing data to improve your financial insights. With QuickBooks Time downloaded and set up, you are now equipped to implement a robust job costing tax strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.